Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as we say, as usual, just look at your LCD and you will get where we're going with this video. So you can see right here, Queen Ifrica, yeah man, Queen Ifrica. She this Vybz Kartel's wife, wicked for Shorty. And as you know, Shorty F-Pan in a Vybz Kartel house. And some people say Shorty ugly like sin. People at Waterford, Church Road said that on Cayman's Drive. Them say she ugly like sin. Them say Shorty say them say based on this white woman, them say she's more educated and she have more finesse and all kind of thing. Them say Shorty used to walk around in a saucer bag here and serve drinks, alcohol and them thing in a Mikey Pelpa place. That are the lynch mob people them. And them just used to just enter them want them soldier go down and just work Shorty. So Shorty was given to Vybz Kartel by Mikey Pelpa. And others that after them say boy men rinse her out. So people say for Queen Ifrica say that because she Queen Ifrica, she them say she tried to mash up Tony Rebel house, then now them run her out. So now she try to defend Shorty because she a carousing. Hey, that's what them saying. And them say Queen Ifrica carousing and corabunkus. Yeah. But hey, to each his own. So we want to tell you now, so when it comes to moral and ethics, some people lack that, Yeah. Some people lack them things when they talk about morals and ethics. And whether or not you want to believe it, some people them very dangerous and some people don't really have no sense of morality. And you see once them like you, them just ride it there, just so it go. And your actions, it have no impact on them. Them don't wrong to them when you once them like you. Once you're wrong, you're right. And once you're right, you'll be right. So you're never wrong. And that's why people like people like those are very dangerous. So some people are asked, is Queen Ifrica losing her mind? Well, we don't know because we're not a psychologist, we're not a psychiatrist or anything, and we're not trained in such discipline, you understand? Well, as a layman, sometimes you can say, so that person I behave like them not really have it together, but apart from that, we don't have no training in that. We just use with human instinct and we use with sense, you understand? So Queen Ifrica opposition to Vybz Kartel white girlfriend from England, likely still from cultural, racial and moral concerns. I say me, look here, I have no problem who a man want to talk to a woman, period. Because whether or not you want to believe it, I see me, as I say, I'm not going to pretend on them thing there. I have been with, pretty much all kind of people, all kind of race, you understand what I'm saying? So, Chinese, white, this, that, and all kind of thing, black and... But hey, I can't tell you this, whether or not you want to believe it. I'm here Queen Ifrica, I say black people, dishonest. I can't tell you, say, liar, this woman, let me talk to a black woman. When I say black, I talk black. Yeah, African. Them are not Indian or no white genes in them. Them, I liar this thing me ever talked in my life. Me I tell you. What you mean? Me I tell you that. Still love them, see me, because my man are black, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, me I tell you, I lie this thing them, man. Me I tell you, man, watch you, wicked. Yeah, so our opposition to the white woman, that a fair business that, but I have no problem with that. I don't care who make him happy. You understand? So Queen Ifrica has been vocal about preserving Jamaica culture, African heritage, and ethical values. So here are a few reasons that might explain her stance. Cultural preservation. Queen Ifrica is known for her strong advocacy for Jamaican culture and African heritage. She might view Vybz Kartel's relationship with a white woman as a departure from these cultural roots, fearing that it could dilute the influence of Jamaican traditions and values in the younger generation, especially given Vybz Kartel's significant influence as a public figure. And I can't tell you this. Jamaican are no culture no more, so I don't know what she's thinking or any African heritage. We're Africans, but we're not on the roots. Jamaican are no culture anymore, so that is just a myth. It's like a man can't swim and I say, boy, I'm a swimmer. That are all in my head. We're not on the culture of Jamaica anymore. All of that areas. We have two known advocates for Rear Admiral behavior in Jamaica. And them are dancehall queen and king. So I saw them do it, you know. You understand? Yeah. And no, if you wanna involve in the Rear Admiral thing in Jamaica, nobody now big you up on them thing. So that's you have to do. So historical and racial context. Jamaica's history is deeply intertwined with the legacy of slavery and colonialism, which were imposed by European powers. Some Jamaicans, including Queen Ifrica, may feel uneasy about relationship between black Jamaicans and white Europeans because of this historical context. Our opposition could be a reaction to the long-standing racial tension that linger in post-colonial era. And we can't tell you, say, Queen Ifrica one of the biggest hypocrites when it comes on to that. Because Queen Ifrica at one point in time, she not bleach. Just like how Bob Marley daughter, ZELLE, a bleach. So them not like them black self. Me love my black self. You'll never see me a bleach and them thing there. Period. Yeah, some people say, you're not black, you're a copper color, you're this, you know that. Me still see myself as black. You have different shades of black, you understand? So you want to call me copper, this, that, your business, or red, or you understand? Me still love myself. And I just saw it go. So, she, with her moral concern, Queen Ifrica has often spoken out about what she sees as a decline in moral standards in Jamaica, which is true. She may perceive Kartel's relationship with a white woman from England as a further sign of this decline, especially if she believes that such relationships are emblematic of a broader shift from the traditional values. Hey, look here, I'll show you how Queen Ifrica, all them confusing. Vybz Kartel are one of the DJ them in Jamaica who destroy the moral fabric of Jamaica. Vybz Kartel promote all kind of decadence. And now the youth them will come after him. Now him come out of prison. Well, the one them can't travel, them no mind, but locally, them know say them not stand a chance now. Because him have the sheep them in him and I'm a shepherd. And most of them don't even know that everything that he has been doing is to destroy black people. In music, everything. Low self-esteem, him and him femme woman and all femmes on them. Them don't even know say having tattoo, all of them tattoo you all over your skin. Eventually, it's going to come and bite you right in the rear. Where I tell you that. Personal and positive and political motives. Queen Ifrica might also have personal or political reasons for opposing this relationship. She has previously been critical of Vybz Kartel's influence on Jamaican youth, particularly concerning his controversial lyrics and lifestyle. Her stance against his girlfriend could be a part of a broader critique of Kartel himself and what he represents. So, she subtly criticized Vybz Kartel. And if you notice since him come out, I just a few people him big up on them thing that who were on the outside. And some of them who are big him up, him don't even respond, him don't even acknowledge them. Yeah. We say when a brother named Movada, Vybz Kartel said, man, I shoot up all them vehicle. The boy, I tell you, them are some sick people. It's when your mind is warped and you can't think. That's how you behave like an organic robot. Queen Ifrica's opposition to Vybz Kartel's relationship likely reflects her concern about cultural preservation. Jamaica not a culture anymore, you know. You understand? Historical racial tensions, moral values, and our broader critique of Kartel's influence on Jamaican society. One thing that Kartel has good for is to destroy the Jamaican society. We can't tell you that. Destroy the little pitney them. These children used to be on buses, have sex school picnic, so them have to take them because of If's song. But she don't say nothing about it. That me tell her say, and now she a fight to be a part of the Maroons them. I go up there and I create problem. Just like she a call out the other him the mad still doing a L.A. Lewis, say my fake emperor. L.A. Lewis even the next guy and them thing there. Him understand and know say all the people them gullible and them love lickings and they understand and lies. And him very successful. We not gonna beat no fire upon him, a theme thing then. We know say him will do anything just say to maintain him status in the black sphere. Some people might feel say L.A. Lewis now. L.A. Lewis have money. L.A. Lewis are allegedly one big court dealer asked Beanie Man. We are telling that first one I hear that. Beanie Man and L.A. Lewis, them for them fight where them in a fight and them thing, they over coke money. Coke where you sell people. We are telling that. I asked the two of them. Enough people got shocked. Because all the time L.A. Lewis a drive with coke, police stop him and not even know. Because them see him as a madman. Them say L.A. Lewis as a drug dealer. L.A. Lewis have money. L.A. Lewis have all children in England. L.A. Lewis was with a woman, a lawyer, and live in a St. James. We are telling that. No phone to know that. I can't tell you some things about L.A. Lewis. I ask him if you think a lie, we are tell. L.A. Lewis have 2 or 3 children. I don't remember exactly number. That live in England right now. Yes, their mother a lawyer. L.A. Lewis and the ordinary boy. I just that she left him, I saw him head did chip. Check it out. I ask him if you think a lie, we are tell. But enough people don't know that. Because L.A. Lewis not talk. So you think say him a madman and anything, but him not really all there. So people, the question is Queen Ifrica losing her mind? Or has she already crossed that line? Some people want to say that we don't in a rabbit hole and can't come up back. Because there's some things where she say. Like she said Queen Ifrica said she never come to Jamaica as slave. Me never come to Jamaica as slave. It's my ancestors. Me I tell you so. And if you're thinking of them things, you're like, how she say she never come to Jamaica as slave? But slavery, you know, was over on paper before Queen Ifrica born. So if you can discern things and then you say, I want to say attack our ancestors and them things there. We don't know. Because remember say, only white people in Jamaica before only white people were free. Everyone else was slave, even the mulattoes. So we are telling that. So we don't know where she get her argument them from. The Maroons them, and I said them free, you know, the Maroons them were a part of the British Empire because they used to capture our ancestors and hand them over to the Maroon, and over them back to the slave owners. So they were never our friends. And she fight for them to be around them and them not want her around them because them say she mad. So while some of her points might resonate, much of what she's saying seems erratic and disconnected from reality. We have shared many Queen Ifrica videos on this platform. Reason being because she said something that makes sense. And I say everything, and even we and them thing, the people are going to say, you know, so boy, him love go off tangent and all of them things. I just saw it because in time people attack things flow. So one of the most alarming aspect of our recent rant is our obsession with white women in Jamaican ghettos. I didn't know that you have white women in Jamaican ghettos now, because normally in Jamaica the white women them live uptown and you will find a few in a Portmore. You understand? And the Chinese them very rare finding people that will live in the depressed or deplorable communities. You understand? Instead of addressing these pressing concerns, she's fixating on something many find irrelevant and out of touch. Her focus on issue is puzzling, especially considering the diverse challenges that Jamaican communities face. So when she go attack Vybz Kartel, woman, that not really make no sense. Who him love, him know him go through, you hear him do all kind of song, him say him do an album And most of you don't even know Shorty almost killed Vybz Kartel, stab him and almost kill him. We tell you that at a later time. But it doesn't stop there. Queen Ifrica also targeted Vybz Kartel new fiancé, seemingly determined to tear down their relationship. Her disapproval stemmed from Kartel's fiancé not being Jamaican, and she insists that Kartel return to his ex, Shorty. However, what Queen Ifrica conveniently ignored is Shorty's troubled history. Remember, Shorty reportedly cheated on Kartel with a man known as Chalice, who is involved in drug dealing in America. So you want the man to go and go back to the woman when him knows she have a right out man right now, even Chalice. And since Kartel come out of prison, she come back from America because she was in America with Chalice, and Chalice a drug dealer, him there in Miami. Chalice have a brother when named Reds, Reds or something like that. Him get deported and him come back and him down in Miami with him brother. I ask Shorty see him too. So you want the man to go back to a woman who cheat on him. You have sense or what? You sound like a mad man. The man have him dignity and them thing there. If he want to go back to a theme thing that, remember I said everything about Shorty falls in, Shorty ugly like sin. What you mean? Shorty, hey look here. I tell you nothing, you know. Hey, Shorty have all Shorty grandmother. Hey, me I tell you say, hey, whether or not you want to believe it in the man. Shorty grandmother was an ugly woman in a man. Yeah. Toots. Toots. Yeah, man, Shorty grandmother, Toots. Ugly like sin. I tell you. A people that say that them own family and them thing there anyway. Bonfire. Where I tell you people, some 2 persons in a Shorty family bonfire upon her because I was she do cartel in that prison. And then others I say, oh, when him think say what, she for wife up the thing, you know, say it forget F. I want him to him. And that she tell all the man on the phone, you know, because she talk to him. But it's like him still Kartel kind of still have a little weakness to Shorty, you know, because she have no for him secret in her, because as she, most of the people them in a Gregor Park and Waterford, them say she turned Kartel in a monster. It wasn't like that. She are the one behind it. Because all even killing them when I go on a Gregor Park, and she say a Kartel in that prison. A Chalice is the man behind it. But them do it and then them call Kartel name. That is what the people them say. So them say she are the real devil. So them say as long as Kartel stay away from Shorty, him will fine. He won't get back in no more trouble. Because she are the one, the toxic one. Yeah, so I just saw it go. So if what Queen Ifrica ignore the facts that the woman cheated upon the man. Queen Ifrica's insistence on this issue raises questions about her motives. Why is she so invested in Kartel's personal life? Especially when the woman she is advocating for has a dubious past. What's a corrosion still? Corrosion always bad for corrosion and corrobonkers. Remember saying Queen Ifrica, you hear them talk as she mash up to vulnerable life. And in a long run, hey, anytime you force yourself in a something and you come real in it, I pop down. And I see him, wife pitting them run her out now, because them get big. So now she out there and them say she did a vulnerable and she a bonfire upon him. You understand? I just saw it go. What goes around comes around. If things don't happen naturally, if you force yourself in a situation, you'll get forced out. You understand? If she just be a side chick and them thing there, maybe she already would have still still together. I just saw it go. Because he might get older and him children, them say Queen Ifrica as a threat to dear to what the father have worked all these years for and them now in it. So our priority seems skewed, and it's hard to understand why she's taking such a strong stance on something that ultimately doesn't concern her. So what's going on? Is Queen Ifrica genuinely concerned for Kartel and the Jamaican people, or is this a sign of something more profound? Her erratic behavior and unfounded accusations suggest that she may be struggling with her issues, which are manifesting in these public outbursts. So I call for clarity and focus. Jamaicans, it's time to question what's going on here. We should focus on real issues facing our communities, not get distracted by the rants of someone who appears to be losing touch with reality. Queen Ifrica's recent behavior raises serious concern about her state of mind and our ability to contribute meaningfully to the conversation that matters. And the reason why we say that, because once you go talk, say Mark Golding, say white people come on Jamaica as slave, we know say no, something wrong right there. You can't in a year right frame of mind. So we know say you're gone over the rails. We're not a psychiatrist or no psychologist, but we can't think. So let's not be swayed by baseless accusations and misguided rants. Instead, let's focus on building a stronger, more united Jamaica. We need leaders who can address our real issues, not those who distracts us with personal vendettas and irrelevant issues. Stay focused, stay informed, work together to create a better future for all Jamaicans. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we believe in the importance of clear, rational discussion, especially regarding our nation's issues. We always tell you the truth. We don't care which guy begs or which guys want please. One thing you always gonna hear the truth. So while Queen Ifrica has made some valid points in her recent statement, and you hear it in the video, much of what she's saying raises serious concern about her state of mind and understanding of our history. As she makes some things, some utterance that don't make no sense, and it's not valid. So one of our most bewildering claims is that white people came to Jamaica as slaves, as enslaved people. Let's be clear. This is not just a misunderstanding. It is outright foolishness and lies. So statements are misleading and do a disservice to the Jamaican people by distorting our history. While we acknowledge that Queen Ifrica may have some valid argument, this claim is simply baseless and indicative of a broader issue. So addressing the facts, Vybz Kartel Maroon heritage. Yeah, Queen Ifrica has also raised concern about Vybz Kartel asserting he's a Maroon by blood. Yes, Queen Ifrica, she questioned him. Yes, Vybz Kartel is a Maroon by blood because through his mother, Vybz Kartel have an uncle that named Colonel Petty. So this is accurate, as Vybz Kartel mother was born in a compound town. The reason why she and Aina, I don't remember the other one name offhand right now. Aina Petty and the other one, Derek Curry, that's a Chief Curry father, try to rape them. Guy must have known rapist up there, me I tell it. Yeah, Chief Curry father, Richard Curry father was a known rapist. So him try to rape Vybz Kartel father, not him for him mother. Actually, I know some Kartel a rear admiral. I don't know if I'm father him get the rear admiral gene son. Yeah, so Colonel Petty. Yeah, Colonel Petty is Vybz Kartel, is his granduncle. So Vybz Kartel have Maroon gene. So remember, Jamaicans, most Jamaicans, Maroons are traitors. They are our enemies, even to this day. You think your enemy are gonna love you? And look, our people suck up to the enemies them. Vybz Kartel, Maroon, Buju Banton, Maroon. And I two most destructive people them. We don't even know if the Bigfoot, the cowfoot woman are Maroon. Because so she black like dark, like midnight. And when we say black like midnight, I don't mean to say maroon black. But we're not talking about the color or skin. Because some people are getting it wrong. We're talking about her heart and her mind. And we're talking about the woman named Spice. The one that got BT and skin out. Jamaicans were known, our women were known as people, women who have ethics, decency, morality and decency. She got to go skin out her big old self. Disgracefully. That never happened before. Patra, Lady G. As much as Lady Sarah was a queen of dancer, she never do that. Now we see one of them, yeah, hear Spice talk about her when he in Jada Kingdom. When she go on stage, she no wear panty. Then she no wear panty go on stage. And I'm also women got fear thing. And she just go up there and shake up her big black ass. No drawers, a sour reach, shame non-existent. While the black people them a do all of them things, you know, see white woman them out there do it. So black people are trying to say, oh, them can be the nastiest and the worst of the worst. So these are facts to help us understand the cultural and historical context of Kartel's background. However, Queen Ifrica's argument often veer off course, mixing truth with conjecture to undermine our credibility. So that's why I say, yeah, talk truth, you just talk it and everything. And I go off, let's come up and make up things. But white people did come to Jamaica as slaves. People look at you as cooks. No matter how which big school you go, that are just lies. Period. Plain and simple. I'm sure no say, boy, I'm sure, hey, I just madness that. Queen Ifrica brought a complaint about Jamaica's decline in cultural and morality resonate with some of us, not many of us, some, because most of the people them gobble it up. We don't have no culture anymore. Our boys them wear pants like the American them with our prison we say them ready. You can't come on. We don't have no culture anymore. Our men, them wear women jeans. Women jeans. Men jeans, I sell again in Jamaica. I pay women jeans. Everybody a woman. And them say something wrong with that. Oh, yeah, man and yeah, wear woman jeans. And you feel say that cool? Unless you feel say you have vagina too. Because the jeans only make for people with vagina. I tell you that. Women clothes are made for women who have vagina. You know, make for man who have long seed. So unless you feel, and that's why enough of a real admiral. Them stop sell men jeans at Jamaica because man them a buy the woman jeans them. And women are complain. Same thing with the tongue them. Woman them go I store them uptown and can't. Man them buy them. So we have more timon at Jamaica than anything else. And we see them. So she argued that our society is heading down a dangerous path. In this regard, she isn't entirely wrong. There are real concerns about the erosion of values and direction in which our nation is headed. However, these concerns must be grounded in reality, not clouded by misinformation and erratic statement to be effective. At the Jamaica Young Police channel, we urge our fellow Jamaicans and those in the diaspora and our viewers and subscribers and Patreon members to approach these discussions critically. It's essential to separate fact from fiction and challenge claims that do not stand up to scrutiny. While we respect Queen Ifrica's passion and desire to see a better Jamaica, we cannot endorse statements not rooted in truth. No, we not do that. So let's focus on issues that genuinely affect our communities and work together to address them meaningfully. Like, don't get national award to known murderer, not because they're not convicted, or people who contribute to violence in Jamaica. You're not going to hear nobody address it because you have to understand as a Beanie Man, because through Beanie Man, a Timan, Beanie Man is one of the biggest Timan in Jamaica. Big time. Them man then hide it. Going to house already in January. I will never forget. I stinkiness deed me ever smell in my life in our house. And when we're going in a deed in the day, man then stink up the place. You have to be sick for involved in a Timan business. And that's why we tell people from them time that say being a man a Timan. That's before him boss. So we know say because of what we had seen then, and we tell Bounty Killer. So I saw it, that's why Bounty Killer always use the same fish. I know that for true because I told him. And some people say, boy, I say, being him and Obi a Bounty Killer. Well, I mean, I don't know about that, but we'll touch that one of them there. So we need leaders and influencers who can guide us with wisdom and integrity, not those who spread confusion and falsehoods. So stay informed, stay rational, and let's build Jamaica that we can all be proud of. The troubling truth, are Jamaicans being misled? That's a question that we are asked. One undeniable fact that Queen Ifrica has pointed out is that many Jamaicans do not love to read, and that is true. And this lack of critical engagement makes it easier for them to accept and repeat whatever they are told by those they trust, even when those sources feed them lies. This is a serious issue that affects our society's ability to think independently and question the narrative that are presented to us. So when we say that now about Jamaican people, them not like think, them not like everything them repeat what people tell them, and everything when them say I was told. I tell you that, you know. So Queen Ifrica, I say, boy, the Jamaican people, they can't think. And the reason why we tell you that now, and everything them say I was told, them not reading now. It's just like even with the eventide thing. Remember I said the windows, even those of you who know where eventide was, right in between Concrete Jungle and Jonestown, right behind Admiraltown Police Station. And you want to tell me that when the man nail up the windows, them on the door, the man in my Concrete Jungle and Jonestown never know say people over there do it. And then dummies now believe say a man left all the way from Tivoli for kill people beside Admiraltown Police Station. Remember I said the police, you know, they were aligned with the Michael Manley regime. Because them, I police them used to issue gun, protect the gunmen them. Some I police them, not all of them, some of them. Like Police Barry, Big Youth and all of these people were criminals. So when them kill the people them, the reason why them kill the old people them, the 144 people at eventide, is that the old people them, because you start advertisement will come on the TV. Someone want to know. Where as a youth back then, I can vividly remember a part of them advertisement, the GLP advertisement, where it said deliverance is near. Because the Jamaican people were in bondage. So that was echo. Stand up Jamaica, when you hear the bell will serve you well. And them say, deliverance is near. So the women them in a eventide, me I tell you, the women them in a eventide, we not go have tangent. We just tell you, this is history, just like how we are talking about lies. So these are lies where them feed them. So we give example. So the women them are eventide. They were singing these advertisements. 144 people. So you must remember, you know, in 1972, Tony Spalding won the seat, but with less than 200 votes. So them old women, old people here, 144 of them, are song, are supporting the Jamaica Labour Party. That a vote. So for them to kill them. So that's an example. And then they repeat it lies for years. The next day, the same people them from Jonestown and Jungle, guess where they are at? I tell you, you know, because people from in my yard, them here live with her. As a little boy, even them, you know, go down to Parliament. All them know if you go down to Parliament, if you demonstrate, if you say, I got do it. Them tell you, we're not on a telephone, you know. We're not on a telephone or on a cell phone, you know. All them know that. Because it was orchestrated within the community. Them left from Jonestown and then got Parliament the next day. I denounce Edward Siaga, say him do it. And say Tivoli people do it. We never have no cell phone then, or we never have no house phone. So this was a concerted effort by them, and them repeat the lies for decades. And the Labour they never push back. I saw them stay. Because they expect Jamaican people to be decent. Same thing in time, and I tell you, same like how when PJ Patriotism get elected in 1993, I don't see I'm going to go after him and say I'm a thief. Him not do that. Too decent. Politics, rumble and tumble. And the Jamaican people them vote for PJ, thief in this Prime Minister ever. Not the same thief, but him cunning, because him outsmart or even Bruce Golding. Use white people for outsmart Bruce Golding. Because Bruce Golding not see himself as a black man, he see himself as white. Because he come from south of St. Elizabeth and him half white. So he not see himself as a black man, he see himself as white. So him have Butch Stewart and the Issa them. Them tell him say Jamaican people love him more and say I got him find him one party and them give money and this and that, because everything costs money. And for 18 years the PMP them in a power. And him I drive an old vehicle where I smoke. He have to come back to the Jamaica Labour Party. And now I buy him by votes and become I buy him by vote and then become a leader and then the Prime Minister. So anytime you get something, you know, get it willingly, you have to lose it. And in my first Prime Minister in the history of Jamaica for resigning a disgrace. I never deserve it. He never earned it. Buy him by it. Just like how Baby Chum, that a Mark Golding buy the leadership for PMP. At least Anna are the rightful leader for PMP. When I ask you, I tell you. Because we talk to a youth from over Portmore. Him up on the channel. Yeah, we talk to him. A PMP that I see him youth where them kill Tyson for him to get the seat, and only when him come out and them think that Karen Cross and all of them people lick out and say him all deportee and drug dealer and this and that. And so the PMP gonna give him. Yeah, it's on the channel. So I tell you, so when you can't think, people manipulate you mind, and you just keep repeating. Just like Queen Ifrica, they manipulate her and control her. Because look what they have done to her. And she still arms them up because them she love same here. We no love, don't get it wrong, you know. As we say, you know, one of them is just only a little bit better. And we tell you them thing there. And we say it already and we say it again. One Prime Minister will have any respect for is Edward Seaga. And we say that without any apologies. And we're born and grown in a PNP community. Tell the PNP them to convince me that it's not a criminal organization. I have never seen them promote anything to do with education or promote positivity. A PNP normalize violence and crime in my community and Jamaica. That's why everybody wants to be a bad man place. So we continue. So one of the undeniable fact that Queen Ifrica has pointed out that many Jamaicans do not love read. They don't love read, and this lack of critical engagement make it easier for them to accept and repeat lies, whatever they are told by those they trust. And it's easy for them trust people in for them party. And you understand? Like me, you know, nobody can. I don't hold no bars in a guy. Yeah, just me no hold no bars. Me no be holding to no guy. So even when those sources feed them lies, this is a serious issue that affects our society's ability to think independently and question the narrative that are presented to us. Queen Ifrica contradiction supporting those who marginalize her. That's only shows a boy, she not really there. It's deeply troubling to see Queen Ifrica who once faced marginalization at the hands of the PNP criminal organization now coming to their defense. Let's not forget that this is the same organization that under the influence of former Minister of Justice, former Minister of Culture, Youth and all of these things, Lisa Anna, spread damaging propaganda against her, labeling her as anti-establishment and homophobic. And this type being sidelined and vilified by these very forces, Queen Ifrica has inexplicably aligned herself with them once again. Me no align myself with none of them and them things. I just some east here. You understand? The reason why you can't ever hear me defend the PNP. Me can't, it don't make sense, you give me, you give me food and then you give me a gun for go kill somebody for me get a next meal. Me don't know that. Give me the book. Me don't want a gun. This raises a fundamental question. Why would someone defend those who wrong them? It's just a lack of critical thinking, a problem for Queen Ifrica and many who follow her lead. This unthinking loyalty to political organizations that have caused harm only perpetuates a cycle of manipulation and misinformation. But so many Jamaicans are willing to repeat what they hear without questioning it. It's indicating that we must foster a culture of reading, learning and critical thinking. We must now allow ourselves to be not to be easily swayed by those in power or those with agendas. Instead, we should encourage each other to seek the truth, question everything and form opinions based on fact rather than propaganda. And we have to break the cycle as Jamaicans. So we are making you listen to Queen Ifrica. Yeah, we know say we are chat long on them thing. But as we say over here, son up, we don't know entertainment thing. Because entertainment, all it do is entertain you. We want to change people's mind. We want to educate you, empower you, so you can aspire to be a better self. Yeah, I just saw it go on them thing. And we can't stop chat because we have, we love read. I just saw it go.
Govern and rule over Jamaica down here like kingdom, and Jamaica people have to go pack up and be slave to them. When we did help everybody where did come along, we are going to really sit down and come back, come turn slave. Or we are going to take to the streets and really organize a proper Jamaican protest. A protest with us walking through the streets of Jamaica with the placards in the air say, yes, we are here and we are real. We are going to sit down and make them take away from you. Because a Queen Ifrica, we don't have a talk for you. And me, I shouldn't say I don't want to be a goddess. And spice them, we sell them blood clot soul. When then they come stand up to come talk for Jamaican girls, we are whore now. Prostitute, lesbian, have no morals, stinking, dirty, valiant them. And the new blood clot role model them, we are shub up old anywhere they can find hole. pan them. All you valiant boy come go on, like I say, them training, you never get enough training. You can't be no mole boy, you move your blood clot like a youth and come out with foot, come sit down, make we teach you how to love Jamaica. If a Jamaica you really want to love, then come power you up and come tell you say if you come. Well, come Vybz Kartel and stop you in your tracks and tell you say them things that we are said to black Jamaican girls is not accepted as the culture minister of gender and blood clot, all of these beautiful portfolios that them have. How she not draw you up? You're dead about your lick down tough and it 2 hours no go in a hospital and take picture. Moving up pussy hole and loud Jamaica people now. And that we are say. And that we are say. Uno King and Rasta House, Jamaica people, let me tell you something. Rasta House responsible for enough of the fuckery are going in the leaders. So you see the leaders them in the Maroon communities, all of the Maroon them. All of the Maroon them. When no say them leaders them are sell out. Why you not sit down so quiet and not say nothing? Cause you not benefit from the light too. And the Maroon them govern everything, boy. Them a police, them a soldier, them a hospital, them a nurse, them a teacher, them a everything, and them sit down in front way. Where them sit down in front way I do? Why we country stay how it stays so? Why we the real people them we're supposed to benefit, but everybody else a drive around in a big vehicle and big blood clot everything. Why our thing look so? Vybz Kartel. They no want to let you go. The only way you get let go is if you talk about the cotton tree down at Trelawny town and come back on the side of Jamaican people. Because you get rebellious, make them no want blood clot free you up. You're too rebellious. All who can come back to Jamaica who know say I run where they run on the down here and know say they can't kill you when you reach. Jamaica need you down here. Jamaica need you down here. Jamaica need you because a system them set up over way. All the weather them infiltrate. Fi drown off who them want fi drown off. And you go here say this big flood come down here and one whole section of Jamaica drown off. A God did see with you. And the creator we did farm alliance with. Directly with the creator. How we turn from God, Jamaica people? How we turn from God and have these whole heap of Saddam a deal with the thing and have we silent under silent food. We not go stay under silent food, Jamaica people. We not go get up and stand up and we not have to burn down no way. We not have to blood clot do no farm have nothing if we make them shoot we and kill we on sight. We can stand up in a one unity. Who fi flying from anywhere them fi flying from around the world. One solidarity around we ancestors them blood we shed for we down here. And make them know so we exist. And then can't use no needs to subdue we. All the way you see Darrell Vaz do about him a lockdown shared transportate. I search for you no cause we now blood clot go up on them system. Then come with the COVID we hide from them. They don't know them a come with needs because they want to find we, the original people were there. We stop hide because if you notice, me not hide no more because me a no slave. Me never come here as no slave. A free somebody me come here as. So me a telling you this because yes, me did invest the whole of me in it for true. I mean, I go sit down and watch no kingdom set up round no and no talk the raw plain truth. So when time I done do this, who did I have ears and I hear this? Can go look for yourself now and look where everybody are. L.A. Lewis, you need to come a court and stop fraudulent Jamaica people and you will allow now and make millions. Come talk the truth then if you know it. Come talk the truth then. All who say them know the truth and operate around the truth where they say them know. How come Jamaica people not a part of that truth? How come the real Jamaicans are not a part of that truth though? Why do not support Flagstaff, Trelawny Town, Maroons? Because they are linked to the original people. That's why. Is it because they are the original people? Is it because they are the ones that they had to come to the cotton tree to sign peace with? Is it? Or me talk foolishness? Well, make we come together and put it together in a context then, because I need to go in a context. Everybody they are busy and do their own thing. We need to put it in a context. So come, let's go. Me need to learn, you need to learn, all we need to learn. Who? What is the truth about Jamaica? Why is Russia in the Caribbean? Andre Stevens, me send you some private texts And me tell you, say me want to forgive you, but me can't forgive you because me see say you have be a heathen line up around your same way. Are you going to come and tell people the real truth about who they are, Andre Stevens, or are you going to continue to be a mole for the system? All of who you see, Ratigana, Radigana, where name over this, and Isaac Buchanan, all of them are mole. And the gay agenda them line up for push pound. Nadine Spence not for depend the reconstitution committee. Nadine Spence not go look her up. She not for depend the reconstitution committee because we know we fear agenda there. So we're going to come to Jamaica people with the referendum and make we choose how we want our country run. We used to run the country ourselves. We ask Alex Muir, our name. We need a real conversation to start. Every tree have a root. And the root when me talk about today a Flagstaff, Trelawney Town. Queen Mother said that. Officially appointed Queen Mother of the Trelawney Town Maroons. There is such a thing as the Queen Mother of all Maroons. Queen Ifrica was appointed, said, Mama G, we then give gammon. Me want to tell the international Maroon community say she is no longer no gammon officially. No more gammon because she falls. We need to know about the gay community where that bill round a Portland underneath the Maroon banner. And them think that we need somebody to come tell me about. Who sanctioned the gay community where that bill round a Portland? Who sanctioned it? We have a lot of questions to ask. I mean now sit down and make Jamaica people sitting just go down so. So me are telling you now, you know see me normal today. Watch me every day after today. Because the jig is up. And the whole way I use social media to express myself. Watch a vlogger them, watch a blood clot blogger them. You know see what they do over TikTok. You know see a TikTok them are used to raise the children them in the ghetto them. A TikTok them are used to raise our children. All kind of culprit line up over TikTok and take our picnic them. Because the guard we used to set up over our country and over our culture, then kill it and move it. That's why they well want me mad so and go one side so. Because they know say the truth lie within Queen Ifrica. All Maroon communities, pay attention to the leaders them. They are selling you guys out to the system. And it's planning to rule over you like kings. What are we going to do about it? Is there really no defense for Jamaican people? TVJ and CVM, you notice all of a sudden the two of them are war now because it look like Labour Right won CVM and it look like some the gay community won TVJ. So they want to tell they get valiant now if you come tell a little pity them say what CVM man carry people them true people them didn't loyal to TVJ, they don't really want to switch from TVJ so them a keep it loyal so them a get valiant now if you move the traffic over to CVM. Because them a left the whole Jamaica. The whole Jamaica, they leaving the whole Jamaica behind, as we Andrew Olney say. And they building a new Jamaica. That's why you see all of them fuck with their normal man international airport as we official entrance to the country like that. Because them a switch everything grown at Portland now. We are around the so at the airport are gonna be the airport of at the first airport. And Montego Bay are gonna be the second one. And the one we connect closest to Jamaican people are gonna become the wholest and most mashed down that of all the artists them for them thief or all the people them for them thief sitting from a skilly bang blood clot things. I wanna go Jamaica people no thief. That's the first thing. Real official original Jamaican no thief. We no thief. We don't do thieving. So who them they don't have in at the airport at thief skilly bang blood clot jewelry and want blame it upon Jamaican. My heart full. My heart full because I sit down and watch Jamaica people are dead out by food, are dead out by culture, them are dead physically and them are dead mentally. And everybody sit down and watch Because when all is said and done, the bumbo clad white woman they were then have full up the ghetto them and the preacher them a preach to black woman, all your Vybz Kartel, make sure say this shorty, and the white woman they were come parade, they come talk about your wife. Out of Jamaica, everything have to establish from so if it look authentic, the most important of our artists, them Vybz Kartel must be with a white woman and disrespect shorty. We stand upside him all these blood clot times in our roughest days them. A shorty at the beach and this white woman I come go on like she a princess. That the culture where them want come shape. Because as when me tell you, all cultures shape out of Jamaica. All cultures of the world, all governments of the world farm and pattern off a Howard. That's why the thing look how it look now, because them are wait to see what go happen when the next election call, to see how we are going to angle it and who are going to lead. If Jamaican people, me not talk every Jamaican, me talk Nayenke Pong Jamaican, original Jamaican where they live upon Iraq. If you no continue to give no consent to these motherfuckers, I be a strangers I go live in a Jamaica. I be a stranger there right now as it speak. Cause sometimes you in a half a tree, I don't know half of who me see in a blood clot half a tree. The whole of these people sell you out. Then come and talk about them love you. Then talk about, oh yeah man, me a Jamaican, all of a sudden now everybody a Jamaican. Everybody a oh, me love Jamaica, I'm Jamaican, my mother, where you come from? Oh, my mother is from Korea and my father is from Ireland, but I was born in Jamaica. You're not Jamaican. Just like Merca. You have to be true blood. And that I go on with Andrew them and mark them. So when time mark renounce England, then can get Jamaica to do as where they want with it. To set up them new world order and then anything goes, and you know some talk about sex registry. Them busy I work out our blood clot constitution without our knowledge or input. Without our knowledge or input, we are going to wake up to a brand new constitution where they have nothing to do with the culture or who we are as a people. Because you know so the populace uneducated. Because not because they wanted to be uneducated, but because they were forced to be uneducated so that they wouldn't come across them the truth about themselves. No time. Jamaica people need help. I'm asking foreigners out there who can make a difference in terms of speaking up on behalf of the genocide happening down here. They are allowing Jamaicans to kill off themselves in a road accident, in a domestic, in a community, and none of them can come up with no initiative to stop it. But everybody will go ahead and plan their kingdom. Everybody will go ahead and work out everything will suit them. The Africans, them, they here come for them people, them a keep Maroon meeting with Beckles them, and they're all wanting to get the, but no one want to talk about the first people, because the first people are the ones who are the true heir to anything when name development on this island. The red, black and gold, the yellow, black and gold people. Go back and go listen to we pledge. Go listen what we pledge say. Before God and all mankind, how we advance the whole entire world. How where we do the world follow. Is where Jamaica do the world follow. So now they must set it up that the world I go follow. We do sodomism, follow with on alcoholic, follow with on war, follow with on lesbian, follow with on batty boy, follow with on everything when I have nothing to do with God. And that we are going to teach the world to do now. That's why they send blood clot, Shensia. You know, they never send spice. Then send Shensia to Africa. Because I don't really spice them one, because spice are really Jamaican woman with a little Nigerian in her blood. There is such a thing as Jamaica. There is such a thing as Jamaican culture. There is such a thing as Jamaican people who were not slaves, who are true independent people, come from God direct. Africa, you know the truth. You know say slavery never begin upon the transatlantic slave trade Africa. Jamaica need you back now, Africa, to come tell us, the people of Jamaica, say, what she's saying is true. The Jamaicans helped the black, Nyanke Pong, Maroon, melanated people, where did they here, Mansa Musa people, them, where did they here before slavery, helped our black brothers that came along on the transatlantic slave ship, where Kabu and Muta, them are trying to make a money off of now. And that's why they don't want to win the conversation, because me a Jamaican woman, no pussy wall can't get me to wear no hijab, or wear not when me no want to wear. Me born with free will. Me born with free will. So you did have people, where them send people from Ireland come here as slave, as some Mark Walden in a prona Trelawney with fee mother, saying, them send people from England come here as slave. You didn't know that? Windrush? Yeah, man. Black people used to rule England as kings and queens. So some of them that came to Jamaica came as captives to these people. Yeah, I see. So they all came to the shores. And they had to deal with us when they came. The whole island did secure. 4 corners of the island. We had the most amazing, as you hear the one Alex say. We don't need to ask him the real questions them when him surface, because me a burn him know why me a burn him. You see me? I love same way, but me have to talk the truth. All of the sellout Maroon them to come talk the truth and make we save Jamaica. And make all the negotiations we make on behalf of Jamaica people. How about that? What wrong with that? The whole of them want to come make a money off of uno. And sell back uno culture to uno. Vybz Kartel them sell we culture to Adidas them. And Adidas then come back and sell it back to we. And we say, yeah, that's my culture. Whoa, Adidas endorse us. It's so nice. And we supposed to make our own gears, and Adidas come negotiate with me as to what amount of shares they want. And make all resources come back to the island. But because the Jamaica people are going to benefit, everybody can just come sell peace. Oh, me have a tribe around here, so oh, me is from this tribe. Oh, me is from, you have PJ Patriotism say, you think a joke make them go for him? PJ Patriotism say, instead of trying to set up tribes around Jamaica, it's the unity that will work. What you think PJ, big head PJ Patriotism say? Eh? What you think him say? The tribe thing where everybody wants to set up them tribe and rule over Jamaica, it not gonna work, because any day Jamaica can pick up on it and revolt down here. Any of Jamaica people find out a war down here. So nobody no want telling the truth about themselves. And because most of them move and go in a diaspora now, mostly America and Canada. And that's why them a deal with us over there now. So you know over there, I look on down here and I endorse the vloggers them and the bloggers them where the system plant on internet figure against Funo culture. You can't go and sow into them. And not find the real vlogger them and the real blogger them. We are telling the truth about themselves. Why can I think me call Bunty them name and the whole of them name so much? Because they are the ones that stand in front of Jamaica people and letting everybody else pound. Me hear Vybz Kartel put up something saying my maroon blood. Him fi tell the people what kind of maroon blood him be. Is he a 9 kepong maroon blood, or him come from a compound? I'm going to say this without water in my mouth. And not to the people of a compound, but to the leaders of the compound community. You know, a fraud against Jamaica people, and if you come a court, come tell the truth to Jamaica people. Say, who not gonna be the ones then with the new whip them over them back down here? Me beg you no say let me in the conversation, cause me I represent for one set of people who are alive. You know one no. Where Queen Ifrica go. Every time I go to the Maroon celebration run a compound, why no let Ifrica round here for? Me go round there so. Why no make Ifrica come here for? Why me no fi there? Why me not for there? Because how me I say? Because me I tell you so if you left Jamaica people alone, because I will set up kingdom around Jamaica people and I go on like another tornado and I turn the whole place in a slave and kill off the whole of the youth them out of the inner city, the true ears, the true men them, where the whole of if you come together and go develop and help them to see who them be and know who them be. We no set them against themselves, to kill out themselves and then put some white girl in there, to breed them up, to take with them, to take with lineage, to care back to feed them country them. Because black woman no worthy no more, because valiant them say all he want her do a hope up making dig her out. Black woman nah no value, all no pussy wall artist woman. We sit down on the Jada kingdoms and all of uno we are preach lesbianism and suckudism and all of the nastiness them to the young impressionable girls them and uno the system and uno flow them and digital them give ad fido. And uno are ambassadors of the people and of young girls. Because you know I tell them to go suck blood clot wood and go suck them one another and go that. And you see the Christian community too. The Christian community is culpable too. Because the Christian community was set here by the said oppressors to keep our eyes on the oppressors. And that's why no church can't talk for Jamaica people neither. That's why the whole of them are set up church, because the whole of them are benefit off of the spoils. We feel rich. A Jamaica people feel rich. And we have the resources, and we used to take care of one another, and we used to alright. I mean I tell them, you know, them all chop up me sitting them, and them I go push all the narrative where them want push, but the time will come when I can get to speak it properly in front of you. Scatter Burrell, you can't turn Jamaican girls in a no blood class Saddam. You can't help nobody boy you turn Jamaica in a Saddam. That's why I don't want we don't have to phone side, because you know I hide the truth from Jamaica people. The whole of you name me a blood clot call, because I know a lead from where picnic, all like this Jackie them where they are IRFM, all like this Jackie them where they are RGR zip edge, all like this Jackie them where sit down in the dinosaur post and I feed the filth to Jamaica people through music and lock off the real artists them and stop all some little youth were talented, real Jamaican youth them were talented, them push the whole of them in our backbench. Me I tell you the people say who know how to help them youth they come up, because the system will not let them in. Chronics are mole, Lola Loke are mole, Jesse Royal are mole, the whole of them are blood clot mole for the system, and them parents are maroon. And not only does maroon but sell out maroon. Because Maroons are real people, are real Africans who have offsprings who come upon the blood class slave ship against them will. Some of them are the kings, some of them are the queens we come upon the slave ship. And the one them we go with massa, and them get the empowerment, and them get the strength, and at them in our neck. And I said, they now stop until we subdue. So the greatest wish of the ancestors right now is for when they call election, no Jamaican no go, they go down, no vote until they tell you where they are going to do about the future. In a real life. What them all do for the young people them, what them all do for the girls them, what them all do for the real people them on the island and we are suffer with no help coming anytime soon, because Andrew figure out how to turn the whole away in a slave for them. We're not going to make them set up kingdom round on the down here. We're not going to make them set up kingdom and turn on a slave when we wasn't no slave Jamaican people. I mean I talk everybody. Me nah talk the crew we on board with the sellout. Me a talk real Jamaican when no say the reason why Andrea Williams can't call the meeting for IRFM because she no want the people them know the truth about themselves, because the whole of them well educated and well learned. Them only are telling you where them want to no hear. Them only are telling you where them want to no hear, because them know say we academics now up there and we go by people who we trust. Where the real artists them they come turn up we don't know. They no wear around, because who afraid and who sell out. What not do about it? We not gonna just make them kill me and then we not gonna say John no star or that. Them kill Marcus Garvey, John no star. Then kill Miss Lou, John no star. Then kill Bob Marley, because Bob Marley refused him British side and stand up with him Jamaican side. And that then kill Bob for. because Bob was there to stand with Jamaica and Africa. So that now them a kill Andrew for no Andrew.
Yeah, so as you hear Queen Ifrica, she beating everyone, and she not hold back anything. As we said before, we're not gonna delete anything because she used even some explicit and all explicits. Use some real colorful Jamaican language expressing herself, in which, as for us, Queen Ifrica is not a role model by doing that. That's take her down to the lower. But you have to understand that carousing, really matter how weird they are. Carousing and corobunkers will always be carousing. Remember, Queen Ifrica, she said some things that's positive and she said some things that's negative, because I saw some thing when she talked about Vybz Kartel innocent, when it was like, something wrong with her. Not only she lose her screw, but she now in a sense of decency and morality. You understand? And so we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we don't mince words of people who kill other people, but you understand? We don't like killers, but that's her thing. So we show you that, honestly, so Queen Ifrica actions, some things that she have echo, her recent actions, it serves as a wake-up call, or a shift from criticizing the very forces that oppress her to now defending them is a stark reminder of how easily people can be swayed when they don't engage in independent thoughts. And the reason why we say that now, for sure, is that Queen Ifrica, an organic robot, them can't think. That's why I tell you still doing the PMP criminal organization of people like Queen Ifrica, because no matter what you do them still can't think. When I tell, as we say, and we say again, not until then time the PMP denounce criminality and all of these things and change the culture and the mindset of the people them. I told away from my community leave, but people like Queen Ifrica, them love her. Can't believe somebody who expects to have an independent mind, who can think, but she can't think. She's like an organic robot. Remember, Queen Ifrica is the same woman that went to the gala. Yeah, man. When Lisa Anna was Minister of Youth, Culture and Sports and that kind of thing. And she go on stage and say she big up her baby father. And it was Lisa Anna that came out and said that she's homophobic, because she makes statement against people who don't have no children, or have no or women who don't have no boyfriend but them have girlfriend, or men who don't have no girlfriend but them have boyfriend. So that's where them put these people, the PMP criminal organization, put these people over black people. And so it cost Queen Ifrica millions, and she defend them now. So it goes to show you that when time people cannot think, you understand? I say me, you couldn't do me that and me arms you up. That me tell people. That's why people say me different, because I can think. I failure to think critically and a dangerous trend that leaves us vulnerable to manipulation. And that is what they have done. That's why them love people like Queen Ifrica. Then she know as a people them dunce. Queen Ifrica dunce and she doesn't even know that. I tell you that straight up. Yeah, so me follow her and all of them things there, and she says some factual thing, but sometimes, I just saw it go. So the power of deception and blind loyalty. I would just tell you, because this is a stark reality, I have said time and time again, yes, as a youth born and growing, I get a PMP community, and I know propaganda work. If I were a person without a conscience, decency, ethics, truthfulness, and morality, someone willing to stoop to the level of men like Wilfred Rattigan, Wayne Uglesom, Rupert Francis, and other PMP criminal organizations, scammers online, I could be a rich man. Because I know what to tell the people them, I know what to tell them, but I can't do it because I am just all about saving lives and cheat and make people can't think. These people don't care about people. As I say, it's all about what's in it for me. I hear them right now, the whole of them they are war over food, money and this and then put ugly some for say ugly some not that smart, so you must talk to the low IQ people them because I feel IQ low. And then Rattigan said, Rattigan and him, I tell them man easy. Rattigan and the other man them say, boy, a 7 time we in the police test and fail. Hey, them say I said, Ratigan and whoever the name Beckford Highway or Reckford Highway, but the man them say, Ratigan and the man say, the matter. I say, every time we in field police test, you know, him done see us. So when we talk to the literate people, them, you know, we can't make him come in there. You know. If we put him over which part, the people them him can't understand. Cause if him can't pass police test, him really done. And then now them start I say, and we don't go after 100 cause all of them, you know, so them still tell us, say, if we that scammer. And the man I say, boy, hey, boy, I tell you, them are easy, you know. And the man I say, boy, I look much I nearly 40 years now, and him still no boss. Hey, when I wicked this thing still though, you know, when you have people you think you're your friend, you know, and them not tell it to your face, your ear back. Hey, I don't know nobody in the music business for 40 years and then a bus. Boy, hey. Hey boy, ugly some, boy, I tell you them man they make ugly some fat. Man say, ugly some a 40 years now he might try and him can't bus. Hey, ugly some. That's how it go on them thing there. You know, that's why we tell you say only your friend will tell you the truth. That's why we tell you the truth, but you don't see we as your friend. Yeah. You see we as an enemy. But see, right thing I never thought they say every time you feel the police test. And you're done like, but are you valiant to sing both so you're at the back of the class? The man say, boy, ugly some IQ will come like that of a basic school kid. Boy, the man are rough, you know. Anyway, moving on. So these individuals, we are talking about Ratigan, ugly some Francis and Beckford, Highway man, you are Reckford. I don't even ever saw him name. But hey, I can't put in a comment because I don't really follow them up. So these individuals thrive by feeding people lies, exploiting the fact that their followers absorb falsehood like sponge. No matter what you inflict on them or their loved ones, they remain steadfast. Never questioning and never forsake you, me I tell you. So that's why I'm telling you, say, hey, if me now a man, no morals, man, I mash up them people. Yeah. I know if I tell them, you know, you understand, if I deceive them. So Queen Ifrica, you know, the epitome of blind loyalty, Queen Ifrica embodied this troubling phenomenon. Her followers, much like those who the online scammers dupe, seem incapable of seeing through the contradiction in her rhetoric. They remain loyal even as she aligns herself with individuals and causes contradicting the principles she claimed to stand for. So some I think them were Queen Ifrica, so people are saying, you know, so she don't really have all our marbles together. Which is true, because I think they must say. Because when she go say white people come to Jamaica as slave, I don't know where she get that from, a wish book. You understand? That it come like say, boy, I have voices that speaking to her. You understand? I make all Rasta laugh off her. You understand? So they remain loyal even as she aligns herself with individual. You know, and so she not really, you know, as she claims that white people came to Jamaica from Ireland and England as slaves. I don't know who say black people not enslaved them. I tell you say that level of cuckooism, you know, cuckoo. So this unquestioning loyalty is not just dangerous, it's a powerful tool for those who seek to manipulate and deceive. So right now it's a moral crisis. The moral crisis, what particularly disheartening, is that Queen Ifrica, who once held the potential to be a beacon of truth and morality, has now become a symbol of the very deception that she should be fighting against. Her alignment with questionable figures and inconsistent messaging reflect a moral crisis that profoundly affects those who look up to her. Instead of guiding her followers towards truth and integrity, she's leading them down a path of confusion and blind allegiance. The people they make us are millions. Yes, make all them demonstrate a show fear in New York, and she still line up with them. That for sure that's a real dummy. That So this is a warning to all. This should serve as a warning to us all. It's easy to be swayed by charismatic figures and persuasive rhetoric, but we must remain vigilant and discerning. You have to learn if you can think for yourself. And questioning loyalty, mainly when it's directed toward those who manipulate and deceive, only perpetuates the cycle of misinformation and corruption. That's why I'm telling us over here, before I lie to you, I don't say anything. I can't do it. Because them say the sheep must lead the shepherd must lead the sheep to the right pasture. I am not going to mislead you, and as I said before, and I'll say it again, whether or not you want to believe, the current problem in Jamaica is not the little boy them who fire gun them, or the 63 people them in our parliament and the dummies them in our Senate when nobody no vote for. We must hold our leaders and influences accountable, demanding consistency, truthfulness and moral integrity. But in time you stay and you have a party where you feed the people them with lies for decades, and them just suck it up, them even see it. I'm going to show you how them stay. I'm going to give you some little thing for show you say, black people not think, and them not love If you don't love yourself, PJ Patriotism, when PJ Patriotism is Prime Minister, the amount of wickedness where PJ Patriotism do against black people. And we are talking about not only policies but things that they have done. Them pick up people, street people and Mantic up here, took them, these people to St. Elizabeth, and 5 of them walking in a mud lake in a St. Elizabeth over south. Once you go in a mud lake, that's even the way that thing is so corrosive. Not even iron can survive. You put iron in it, it melt. You put iron in it, it melt. That is a place where people use and dispose of bodies. Thousands of Jamaicans who are missing, they are in these lakes. Yorton, all of these Alcan mining lakes. Yes, that's where they at. Because once you throw the body in there, it just melt. And 5 people, and the same Jamaican people, them don't say, the 5 people will disappear and them can't find to this day, because you'll never find them. Them not care. Them is all about party. Them not love them brother and sister. Them not love them brother and sister because them not love themselves. So in a world where deception can make you rich and unquestioning loyalty is so easily exploited, having a solid conscience and a clear sense of right and wrong is more important than ever. The reason why I say this is that, we are talking with a elderly man, today, and him say, your channel could have bigger, if only you just stay and leave out the politics, because you have some good, you say a right thing, but don't inject certain things, man, because people don't like to hear it, they don't like to hear the truth. I tell him, say, boy, I'm not on YouTube to hustle. I'm here to change that. I say, I have 2 hours left. Him say, yeah, but the 2 hours left, are because of phone on the parents and on decide that's what I want. So I say, they don't care about the others them. Well, that's why them dead. Just go and take care of you and them thing. So some people, them not care if the world will go to hell. Once them know say they are not going to hell because them know the difference between wrong and right. But we can't do that. That's why we have a mouth for talk. You understand? We now go encourage our brother and sister in a crime. We must reject lies and manipulation, whether from online scammers or public figures, like Queen Ifrica, and the strive for a society built on truth, ethics and genuine leadership. For Queen Ifrica support these people who destroy our career and rob her of millions, it's disheartening, to see that. Can't believe she's still a dummy. When I think she should have grew up or have some, but it seemed like I don't know how she has smoke. I could not do that. So let's not be sponges, observing whatever is fed to us without question. Instead, let's be critical thinkers, holding ourselves and those we follow to the highest standards of honesty and integrity. Only then we hope to break free from the cycle of deception and create a better future for all. As a public person, at all times, you must always speak the truth. Don't lie. Don't lie to the people them. Speak truth and help the people them. That's how we believe in it. The truth shall set you free. We know the truth. We know the people love them love the comfortable lies. and the unvarnished truth. That's all we do over here. We tell you the unvarnished truth. So, moving on. So, we're going to let you continue to listen back to Queen Ifrica.
You go ramp with God, youth. You no fix it. You no fix it fast. Or the Maroon community are going to turn over. You no need to come at Chilani Flagstaff. We need Buju, a Flagstaff. We need Richard Curry, a Flagstaff. We need all of the leaders them round a Moortown and Charlestown and Alberta. All of them leaders them in the Maroon community. We need a meeting in Flagstaff. If we want to take Maroon business and come put it online, we are put it online now too. We not hide no more. We need a meeting about the unity of Jamaica that will set Jamaica forward and then set the world forward, that we can see if Jamaica, let me tell the world why the world can unite. If Jamaican and Jamaican Maroons don't unite, the world cannot unite. If Jamaicans and Jamaican Maroons do not unite, the world will not unite and World War III will start. If Jamaica people unite, World War III will stop. If Jamaica people don't unite and go with Fidem plan, get ready for the judgment. You can't fix no new Jamaica if you don't revisit the old one. No Jamaica if you don't revisit the whole one. The only thing we can fix Jamaica is the unity between the Maroons of Jamaica and the Jamaican populace. That is the unity where we are ball for. That is the divide where did happen. And when that divide fix is when the world will begin to experience true unity, because the war tactics that they are using from our whole war. Andre Stevens, get up off of the chair where them give you and come tell Jamaica people the real truth, youth. No matter where them did do you, and you may still a pick as one of the most authentic voice, because I did see you before them blood clot sodomize you and do all of where them do you. Yeah. So watch allegiance them will line up underneath your page that talk about teacher go and teach. They don't like you. Any day you start talk the real truth, they're gonna leave. So you have to go make up your mind at some point. If a really Jamaican people you say you talk for, or them send you to go sit down there and say two little things where if you make Jamaica ears tingle. But you don't want to tell them all we need to come together and stand up with Jamaica people where did stand up with we. How if we just left them behind so? You know I just left Jamaica people behind so. Everything when me say so me can't repeat it in a kite come out of me. So if nobody not see this alive here today and not understand it, the truth is coming, man. There's a truth about Jamaica that only unity can fix. That is why the bloodletting is the war where them allow. It's a war we are going hundreds of years now. And them can't stop it. But because them a benefit so much off of it, them no want to stop it. For free we up. To make Jamaica people can start go about them business the right and proper way. If you notice, Vybz them a talk about get rid of mechanic shop now, and them a talk about everything we link to it where we used to use as our survival. Them take away from we, and all Andrea them there I worry about a beach and beach. You see nobody I worry about the greatest asset, the people. Who you see? I put them life on the line for Jamaica people. Who? Who? Show me who. I put them life on the line to tell Jamaica people say them are not slave, and I we did help the slave them will come boy. Who? I go tell them. Look what them do with COVID. Look how hard Tufton come out and tell Jamaica people say, Andrew Holness tell Jamaica people say, God make the vaccine. You see how far them willing to go for fuck, you know? That is how far them willing. So if them do that, where them have a come from, no? Where them have a come from, no, Jamaica people? And God alone them are here to because we choose God, you know? And because we choose God, make them a deal with this, you know? No other reason, because God is supposed to not be a part of the conversation anymore. And the devil fear run things now. And the most important place for the devil to rule from is Jamaica. Because if the devil now rule from Jamaica, it can't rule nowhere else. So Jamaica have to surrender to the devil. We're not going to surrender to the devil, Jamaica people. We're not surrender against no will a lot. No. We're not going to give them everything. We're not going to give them everything. Paramount Chief Richard Curry, we're not going to give them everything. We're not going to give them everything. What about us who help you? What about us who help you during the dark days? I saw no one down here. I saw it important for no govern from down here. Because are we closest to God down? That's why no one needs we up. Because no one find the old blood people them. Okay. L.A. Lewis, you're a fraud youth. You take the teachings them from Rastology them and all of the elder them. And now a rape Jamaica people come talk about you sell them. You have this go white woman sit down in an office but to not sell sovereignty to Jamaican people. Oh no wicked so. Oh no blood clot wicked so. Tell Jamaica people why you not sell them back them sovereignty. Tell Jamaica people why you not sell them back them sovereignty. All your big head blood clot nuffy. All you come and be face of sellout against Jamaica people. Where you used to give your blood clot run pan stage and give you forward and make you big. You come back now and come talk about, yes man, I don't come round at LA. Nobody will have sense. Don't go round at LA Lewis for no blood clot documents. But no go on no blood clot maroon documents. The whole of them sell we out. Every time I chat to LA Lewis on the phone, me I say, LA, tell the people them the truth no man. And stop just to collect money off of them. Blood clot do no. Me not afraid of niggerants. We blood clot, we near Maki. And we then come see a near Maki. All the things they want to use work up your heat, we use blood clot cook and heat. So can no self and we are the original badness boy. Yeah. So right now, all heads of all maroon communities, tell the people the truth and make the maroon community them can develop and strive. Tell the people the truth so that the maroon community them can develop and strive. So that we can send people to go visit them and tell them, say, yes, the maroons did help us in the war against the great enemies. You see me? And we are the true here to the true and down here. Jamaican people, the regular man in the street, and we are the true here. Alongside with brothers and from Africa. And all other countries, because you have many tribes here. You have Jew here, you have Muslim here, Arab. You have all nations are found on this island. Who used to live alongside each other in a unity. We call them friends of Jamaica. Where are the friends of Jamaica? We need you guys. We need the friends of Jamaica to come and help us now. Because we help you establish for yourself over the world. And no left we behind for dead off down here. And what left off we no rule we and turn we in a blood clot consumer. Fi buy on no garbage them fi keep on no rich. Me tired. So how we are gonna do? Because we scattered all over the world and them a take over land every day. Jamaican people stop selling no land. Stop selling no land them. Because we don't have no land, you know, no country. I be a strangers down here, surround we, I suck we out because we turn from God. The blood clot do no. You think me a dead we do no down here? Me nah dead we do no down here. You hear that? Because me take this serious. And me watch Buju them a sell no out and no a go with it. Me watch Richard Curry them a sell no out. Andrew Wallace a sell no out. PNP a sell no out. And no a go with it. While we sit down on the sideline and weep. Because we know say and never that we ancestor want. The ancestors say we fi unite. Unity is the greatest asset as a people. And no one now call the ceasefire. No one now call the ceasefire. But when you set up on the kingdoms them, no. And I do everything to isolate we. Because we dare to remind the people them say we're not slaves. And a slave them are going to turn we in by 2025 so. 2026, 27, 28. If everyone in the diaspora no come back at Jamaica and come stand up with the Jamaicans them we left here, or even the ones them we are run and no feel like them can come back here. If we no come back and come help the people, man, don't you go destroy, man. And nobody now go benefit. No kingdom won't set up now go get take off, don't you? If we no stop what we do and come at the cotton tree and shake on again in a peace and make we start over again the real way. Big up again, you know, to Flagstaff, Trelawney Town, Maroons, you know. Because of them alone say come here, Queen. Make we hear what you say. Trelawney Town, Flagstaff, Maroon. Me love you know, hear that. Because the truth I go only be that. And the truth I go set we free, boy. Yeah. I would encourage every other Maroon community when know the truth about Flagstaff to visit Flagstaff and make the Maroons them in a Flagstaff know say it wasn't all in vain. Big up yourself, blood. And you are the true emperor of Jamaica, not L.A. Lewis. Big up yourself, Shanti. And you are the true chief youth. Not Grizzle. We sell out Trelawney Town Maroons. Anywhere you're there, Grizzle, the ancestors are crying for what we do. You don't want to stabilize the Maroon community that Jamaica can stabilize. Stabilize the Maroon community that Jamaica can stabilize. If the Maroon community not stabilize, Jamaica can't stabilize. Because we did help the Maroon, the Akompongo sell we out to the invaders, farm new treaty. Them have one next treaty near the granola treaty, one next one again where is our next problem to them here too where we have here. I be a treaty, them sign up round with thing and left with suffer and dead out over time. And then them bury with history and give you the versions of it where them feel say we forget while we don't know the truth of who we are as a people. We not fi watch no TV, J. We not fi watch no CV blood clot them boy. Because them take away the truth and replace it with the system where them a try feed and chop down with truth at daytime. And we are here to the true and Jamaican people. The taxi man, the nurse man, the teacher, everybody we are suffering in Jamaica and can't see a way out because you are the true owner of the land. And because we can't unite, them are used against we say we don't want to unite. And we did call peace. And we say unity. And we say you don't want to live down here. Alright, come meet we up at the cotton tree. everyone will have the strength in them and love to do hikings and these things. Get on the boots together, fly come to Jamaica. Flagstaff, Trelawney Town, Maroons will bring you to the tree where the first peace did make the, and it wasn't a peace where we did have to go to them. They came to us for that peace, because after hundreds of years, 89 or more, whole heap of years of fighting, we decided so we now give up the rock to them, and then did have to come shake and make a blood oath and carry them offspring to Kojo to compound them. Go back and go sell we out, another sell out the way under until to the day. And no matter how we have begged them say, to make we go visit the treaty ourselves and use the treaty to benefit us, the people of the country, all of us together. No, nobody no want that. We must remain slaves down here. Me am not a slave. Never was, never will be. We never feel like no slave yet. So, as when me say, me not talk everything one time. But me say a lot today to who are here. The Maroons, the leaders of the Maroon communities need to come to court. And all who get them going to live stream the 18th of June up at the University of the West Indies, they're going to live stream the Maroon conference we don't know about. They are going to live stream it. May I ask all well-thinking Jamaicans and those who are friends of Jamaica to tune in to that blood clot live stream and listen to what they're saying. Here, me a Jamaican with African blood. Yeah? Where are the great historians? Where are the great historians to come and tell the people the truth about themselves? Who don't want to come talk versions of it? Alex Moore. In order for you to be the king of Portland, tell the people the real truth. In order for be the real king of Portland, Alex Moore, come tell the people them the real truth and stop look down upon Jamaican people. All Maroon communities who know so them leaders them sell them out and them communities them now develop and them alone a drive road in a fat vehicle and them alone the big heads of society a come check. A time now for no call them to court and tell them so no need the real development them in our blood clot community them. Them not different from the slave masters. So the people them when me a rep for are them want rule. Me look like me care too, no? Again, dirty Shensia, you can't be no blood clot face of Jamaican woman out of Jamaica. Go suck on yourself and go away. And go do it for Korea or which part your blood clot bloodline there. Nobody will ban down here now go come just come feel like you know come create no culture because you no ban down here. And really and truly, if we don't get anybody else face of Jamaica, Adidas, I should have spice your blood clot make do it because she are the truest representative of a Jamaican woman. I just true she a idiot. Make she blood clot end up where she end up. A years me I try for sure say guide yourself properly that you can come sit down on your rightful place. Shensia more popular than Spice. So how come Shensia Adidas a draft of a B face her. And then two man there. Then two footballer there in the picture with a bunch of flowers with one bunch of no subliminal batty message now send out a blood clot with culture down you go suck no mother and go with no subliminal batty message too. Me no give a blood clot fuck. You see me? I come send on a batty message too with national colors. The two you them look vexed in a picture like them I say what nobody no see this. You think so? I remember when I take Bolt and put him in a frack because he come from Trelawney, though. Moving a blood clot and go. All river take back its course. You hear me? I tell you. All river take back its course. And then you want Jamaica people to come end Saddamism via our artists them because Shensia have an blood clot with brightest, richest color them. And that's why we not bow to that. Not day, not time at all. We not bow to that. Real, if I even 5 a blood clot we left here as original Jamaican, we not bow to that. Because so could no mother. We no come subliminally lock off a place down here. All of the youth them a get raped and a sodomized and a dead. I get lit down in a road. Nobody now call no protest for that. But as we walk we mouth and say something pertaining to the culture and ready to come jump down with blood clot throat. You see me? And I create new culture and I push it on we. Shensi, I go get in your feelings. You're not Jamaica. You cuss Jamaica pussy. Me sit down and watch you cuss Jamaica recently. Me sit down and watch you cuss Jamaica and come put on Jamaica flag and come. Go suck on no mama. And love Jamaica. And all back uno. I know that the representative we want for Jamaica. I know who we want for a rep for we culture and we flag. Or suck on no mama. And me say that loud and no care. And every church I go burn down here because they don't turn from God. You know one as church member them I go burn down on the blood clot church them. Because you turn from God and let in the devil down here upon we. You know. And Rasta too. That's why I not too know and I want to come call me no Rasta. He's a child of the Most High. Because Mitzi and Higher V them sell out of them letting chronics them. Me see them take time and surface back chronics. Chronics, you better come talk the truth of Jah. You think you come slide in back? You can't slide in back till you declare where you deal with boy. And you let in the whole I batty boy and lesbian them and the locks. Jesse Royal them father Maroon them. And then live on the sell outside. And Maroon. None of them now support Flagstaff. None of them now support 1st of March. It's the 1st of March. Jamaica people support in any Maroon community. Find on the way down a Flagstaff 1st of March and celebrate. And that is the true celebration. That is celebrating the resistance. When you go January 6th, you celebrate the sellout treaty. Where blood clot then sign. Where Apon come and all of them sign. And that will not celebrate when you go January 6th. So all Maroons who truly love them culture, just know someone you go January 6th. And the system you go they go support. I know our ancestors them. A business. You don't want to come turn Maroon business in a business. A Maroon, you know how much bloodshed, you know how much people dead, you know how much mother then cut out them belly, and one ass run go so and one ass run go so for this. And you come and turn it in a marketplace. You move on a blood clot and come a court. That me say, you if you come a court. No more kingdom now set up around Jamaica people. A God kingdom we want to focus upon. The only kingdom where we did bow to from morning. God kingdom. Who do you think gonna be? Every time a youth dead me cry. Every time a youth dead me belly hurt me. Because me know say China man they tell me in the bank. Say I'm glad for the plan where them come with to make Jamaica people kill off themselves and free up the place so they can have it. Me a Maroon. Me a 9 kepong Maroon. L.A. Lewis. You need to come. You need to bring in the things them where Rastology give you. Where you have a exploit Jamaica people with. Yeah, your white woman sit down in a office. True they know say them have some rights here too cause German did pull up here to door. We have slavery they come from German too, you know. Yeah man, we have slavery they come from France too. All about over the world slave they come from Jamaica. You never know. Yeah man. And some of them became friends with us. Some of them became friends with us because they were nice. So we became friends. But some of them did want our place from them time there, and them still a try to take it from we and no sit down and give them. Before no wake up and stop name them blood clot food. And start different a culture. We real. We come from God. Jamaica culture come from God. That's why we could have gone South Africa go free Mandela them. Because we were the free people. We were the free Africans who did left Africa way earlier than anybody else. And some of us come as Benjamites. Some of us come straight from God as anarchists too. I them think they L.A. Lewis them pinch up a tell you no. No take up no needs. Jamaican people, make everybody else go take it. For you identifying in your heart and heart of hearts as Jamaican, don't take up no needs. And listen out, me nah big up UIC neither, because I don't know where UIC until the master of UIC come tell me where I deal with. Me nah big up UIC neither. We have some other groups here who have true intentions for Jamaican people, but they don't give them no voice. But to me so little, I over here so I talk by myself, they're afraid to come whisper me, they call them swear say Jamaica people no love me, and so therefore them not go here, so them go with it wrong too. So me want turn up over here, so I say, me a talk on the whole of them. All of the leader them with the boy, and none of them no mission no good. If you no get up and go vote, when Andrew them decide, say place nice enough to call the election, a fool no business. A fool no business if you no blood clot. This a election no fi call if you put off. If you no vote in the election here, Jamaican people, that's it for no. Until Mark Golden come out and declare say, I know PNP ma try to make win the election. And him, Mark Golden, will have a true intention for Jamaican people and would like the opportunity to show them say, him now go sell out. No vote for no PNP. A be a sodomite line up back a PNP. And what Andrew do is use Nadine Spence them and Terry Long them for angle film gay issues over labor rights. So him now have to deal with that. Every election around the world, format over out of every government around the world are wait to see Jamaica general election. Every government around the world is waiting to see what's gonna happen in Jamaica election. So you watch them now. Listen how everybody are bat. Oh, Jamaica, Andrew wicked over Andrew side. PNP wicked. At them did do this. At them did do that. At them did do this. At them did do that. While you sit down in the middle, Jamaican people, I wait upon which one of the evil them you will give your soul to. If you don't want to be no slave down here, Jamaican people, if you do not want to be no slave, make the next election at them and their friend them voting on it, and Jamaica people become spectators. Because this next election we're supposed to come will be the election of all election here on this island. That's why it have. Because remember the Republic for farm. Yes. When them can come arrest you if you not pay rent. Yes. And arrest you for when you see them use Valiant to do the face off. If it's a brass card from them arrest Valiant might as well. Make up pay my ticket them to all of it. The election that is coming up, rightfully so, someone said it here, something that July 22 will be the last election held in Jamaica. So this next election will be the election that will decide who will run the republic. Andrew Holness want to be the one to run the republic, and Mark Golding, as when me say, want to be the one to run the republic. But there are too much corruption happening in the PNP, and if Mark Golding don't stand up and be the one in a PNP with film like a crew to call out all of the corruption we are going over there, why we want to vote in PNP and labor right? If you not stand up and tell Andrew Holness say I'm a dictator, man, in wife and in crew, say them come and them a go want, and them a run now to be the new dictators them. So when the real people them in a labor right government we really love Jamaica for true. If you don't want to see a true democracy, make the real people them in a labor right and the real people them in a PNP come together and form a blood clot government that will be fair to the Jamaican people. What about that? How about a democracy like that? But you continue to talk about who and who matey and who did kill who. Look for how them a govern our thing. Look for how them a govern our thing over the things them we are affect with. The domestic issues, the poverty, you know, the violence. They are marketing it back to us. They are marketing our struggles back to us. Where the advocacy there? Where the advocacy there for Jamaican people? Everybody is advocating against Jamaican people. Where the advocacy? It's a foreign state. They want on Jamaica where a foreigners govern down here. But the true, authentic, born upon the land, no nowhere else, not even Africa, then bloodline no lead to. Them to be slave and suffer underneath on the down here. Because you know no more defense. You know empower all of the people them with fuck you know. And now they are doing it. Them fuck you know now till they're not tired of fuck. A unity alone Jamaica people. Yeah man, them a pause live and all kind of sitting and going here now, you see me? Jamaica people. The Maroon community who know the truth, all of the members of the Maroon communities who know the truth, start telling the leaders them to do the right thing. The leaders of the Maroon communities are not doing the right thing by the people of the Maroons, and just like the Maroon leaders of the governments here are not doing the right thing by the people. You see me? So we are going to sit down here and take it and dead and say, so you go queen. It out of we hand. It out of we hand, you know, out of we hand, man. A unity, man, is the only. A Marcus Garvey, them. This, when we come a bat for, Marcus Garvey say unity is the only accepted goal, man. So when time Marcus did a ball for the unity, it was the unity between Maroon and Jamaican, man. It was the unity between Maroons and Jamaicans. When Maroons and Jamaicans come together on the 1st of March and show the world, say we're done with the war between us as black people, then Africa it a go ricochet, Africa go start unite. Then the diaspora go start unite. The youth them go stop kill off them one another and know say all Maroon are family. One Maroon rock. All Maroon a family. All Maroon a family. So true because L.A. Lewis them know where I come. Them they are make money off of you telling us, come get your sovereign Americas. If you don't get fuck, if you don't come get your sovereign documents, come get your sovereign documents. Get your sovereign document. Go suck on no matter and do the thing right. Do the thing right. Do the thing right once and for all on behalf of the people and all of we. On behalf of all of us. And we help the whole of uno. And Jamaican people help the whole of uno. We need back some help now. Sir P, when me tell you I'm not sure about you, these are the reasons. Because you is a youth who you fling up George Soros. You fling up, you know more than what you let out, Sir P. Me I ask you to tell Jamaica people the real truth about themselves, because I think you know. Who asks what sovereign documents? When L.A. Lewis them call enough to come sign up sovereign and Maroon documents where give you no powers, you can't travel through any blood clot airport without a cleanse. Because of that, when it happen, that cotton tree there. You never know. And that's why them powerful, so them documents there where they have. We belong to we. The true warriors of this land. So you can go on with the bag of false lovers who you have. And you start listening to them with no common sense. And stop lead by no emotions and who you like from who you not like. Because them teaching you to hate we. Them teaching you to say we a chat fuckery, and Marcus a chat fuckery, and Bob Marley a chat fuckery. When Bob Marley that say unite, a Jamaicans and Maroons in the attack. And Maroons in the tell say unite back with the people them we help you and stop go with the system so that we can be one united black race that can control and angle our business. See? Go read Revelation and Jamaica it a talk about. Go read the whole of Revelation and Jamaica it a talk about. Here. Me not do no live with L.A. Lewis. Me not do no live with L.A. Lewis till him come tell Jamaica people the truth. You tell him say, me say so. Everybody a turn millionaire off a uno while uno hungry. And uno pitney them hungry. Cause them know uno truth and not tell uno. And we hungry with uno. And we choose to hungry with uno. Because talking the truth cause you them say, in your culture you go poor. And now go have nothing. We're great. That's colony of people at that island. You're great in our earth. And we do the greatest things about them. One day I'll go live with a brethren. We're going to tell them some truth about you know, now going to believe so exist. You see me? So right now we are say again before I'm going to further big up yourself, Flagstaff, Maroon Town, Trelawney. On the show Queen Ifrica real Maroon love. And because we identified, me see all the one Richard Curry run Ghana diaspora about them and keep diaspora meeting. Tell the people them the truth. Tell the people them the truth, Richard Curry. Boy, you're a paramount chief. Come talk the truth and free Jamaica. Come talk the truth and free Jamaica. Paramount Chief Richard Curry, you are the head now. Come tell the people them say a compound did leave from round a Flagstaff, go round a blood clot at St. Elizabeth. Tell him now. Tell the people the truth now. The real kinder tree is hit. The cotton tree you wanna see me post, and that are the real kinder tree. That cotton tree is the reason why black people been picking cotton. Because they vex but we go another tree there. That cotton tree is the reason why black people end up pick cotton in a slavery. Because our mother tree, the vexation. And the vexation caused that. Make you never wonder why a cotton them didn't make black people pick. At a tree that when me show on, man. And me see one name come up a while ago and me get the energy to say it. You Mr. Vegas, you're a mole.
Yeah, so we have to address, as we tell you, we go through the thing, So we have to address Queen Ifrica. So when Queen Ifrica attack on Mr. Vegas, I disgrace the Jamaican values. For Queen Ifrica to label Mr. Vegas as a mole, it's not only attack on his character, but a glaring indication that she herself lacked the very qualities that define a true Jamaican. Her recent statements reveal a woman devoid of character, credibility, ethics, decency, patriotism, or love for Jamaica. Queen Ifrica is a PNP criminal organization supporter. She's not a Jamaican. PNP criminal organization supporters and activists, they never see themselves as Jamaican. They are PNP. Mr. Vegas is a true defender of Jamaica. Mr. Vegas, on the other hand, has proven time and time again that he's a true patriot who stands up for what is right, even when he has nothing to gain. And everything Mr. Vegas say, we agree with. You understand? Because we don't support Mr. Vegas or attack a certain blogger. Because when man say true, I know everything him say him correct either too. Because we're not perfect, we're all human beings. But Mr. Vegas bravely called out the opportunistic Jamaicans in America who, for a mere $100 participated in protest against Jamaica at a time when the country is grappling with significant challenges. We don't have a rampant corruption in Jamaica as we have when the PNP in a government. This is a least corrupt government. Look, you hear me say it already, I'm say it again. Jamaica does need leadership. We just say one is better than the other. And yeah, we figure after the next election, Andrew Holness can go on now, because him did say he want term limit. So we feel after the next election, if we pass the law, we give 2 terms. Yeah, we don't want nobody if dead till them dead. Because we know say that him want, because him love power. And people in time them get power, they get to them head. Then they get it up easily. And him suggest term limit because through PJ Patriotism there for 18 years and the PNP. That's why I'm coming with him come with that now, but now him realize him get popular. Like Michael Manley. Him now that no more him mention it. So we are remind the people that him said. I least corrupt government since 1989. And I said that, and I Christopher Porter can't say that without fear or affection, malice or ill will. You know, those of you who know me and know, if I have private camera, Andrew Wallace is not my cup of tea. You understand? Yeah, me's a conservative and everything. Me ain't a socialist thing. Andrew Wallace weak. Him is a weak person. I say that long time. Weak. And corrupt. Why I say that? Yeah, because we see him out there hug up a man where the Jamaica and people in the diaspora know say this man involved in the killing of Gerald Bogle Levy, a national icon and treasure. We don't care who you talk about, say, a Mark Golden do it. You should know up there and hug him up. Why you never have a Rasta man like a Everton Blender or even see Mr. Vegas? You understand? Although him get some ML through nefarious means. So these so-called activists are willing to tarnish Jamaica's reputation for personal gain. $100, licky Jamaican them, licky, beggy, lazy, socialistic, and patriotic people collect $100 for demonstrate against them country. $100. Some of them, the reason why them take it, because them illiterate, uneducated, so you know, so them have to do menial job in the United States of America. Some of them are $100 is like a DSP, so them just go out there and do that. And plus them get food, get food and drinks and water. So them licky. So you just buy them out and them tarnish, while the white big belly man who born in England, him is nowhere to be found, and everything start unravel when them have the conference in Canada to show you how these people are. She not talk about that. She not gonna talk about that and say, boy, how they might exploit the same low IQ people. But Vegas where a patriot she attack. Me and Vegas and a friend, me don't know him. But me man, me is a principal person. I'm going to call out things. If me even an enemy, I do something right. I'm going to say, yeah, that's how it go. You understand? So when the PNP criminal organization government was defunding the police force and embroiling itself in scandal after scandal, where were people like we in Ifrica for come out and call it out? We don't see that. We don't see the level of scandal like what happened on a PGF Patterson. All of the scandal with them try to come up with that, them manufacture it under this government. When them tell about illicit sex and illicit hate and illicit this and that, and then you only if you understand, say, because them know say people them are dummy. The illicit and them thing there. Or somebody can just call for investigate somebody. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we can report pummels who are the council in our community who we born at Jonestown. So pummels that sell farmer car ticket to the people them inside 100,000, and she sell all even the thing them what she get from the hardware store them, and she sell all kind of things, and she say Mark Golden say Sammy forget a part of the money that a Sammy in a way a Mark Golden, he might like him chief of staff. Sammy was a labor right now, him a PMP. So Mark Golden from long time we know say him a labor right. Karen Cross say it, but him a PMP voters and activists and them thing, them come like Republican voters. Them no business. So this man was a labor right and them thing that him them a ride with. The white big belly man. Yeah. Because people say about dummy. You understand? Then him have him chief of staff now. Sammy, who was a labor right, him used to do around Desmond Mackenzie. And him and the man where they call extortion from the gas station out by Tarrantine Bridge, and people them say them now give them no more extortion. So I saw it go. So Mr. Vegas has consistently defend the black, yellow and green that represent the true spirit of Jamaica. Queen Ifrica cannot do that. A PMP she defend, she not defend, and I tell lie. I tell her a lie, say white people come to Jamaica as slave. Which dummy I go believe that? Well, still you have dummy in a PMP criminal organization. Because when Mark Golden told them that, them clap. And I said, boy, I'm sorry for them people. How we reach that point, because them not read. So I him tell them, and she repeat it too. So she know better than them. she tell say them not read, and she not read either. Because which book she read that in? So white people come to Jamaica as slave. Boy, you want to tell? I tell her, say, we can't stop. Hey, boy, we have a whole heap. I saw it go still doing it. In Jamaica, all dummies, you know, all dummies become philosophers. You understand? Mr. Vegas has shown loyalty to his country and its people, refusing to sell out or compromise his principles. It is for this reason that we stand with him. Mr. Vegas is a true Jamaican patriot, unlike Queen of Ifrica, who seem to align with the PNP criminal organization and its legacy of corruption and betrayal. See PNP pick up street people off the street of Montego Bay, carry them, so them mad, you know. So them maybe if Queen of Ifrica did down, they would have pick her up too. So she mad. And carry her, go down at the mud lake. I make sure walk going night, I want to see her hear from her again. We don't used to talk about them things there. If you talk about the wickedness what them do to black people, that me I tell you the difference with people who are PNP. Them ignore everything and then tell lies. Them things if you talk about that wickedness that you pick up in mad people, then before you put them in a house and them things there, you pick them up from one parish and carry them around next parish. Wickedness. And all of them things there. People them still vote for PJ parties the same way. Jamaican are some wicked people, you can't stay there. So we just try. We are trying to save who we can save from our community. So Queen Ifrica's a betrayal of Jamaican values. Her recent actions and statements make it clear that she's not acting in the best interests of Jamaica. Her attack on Mr. Vegas, a man who has done more to defend Jamaica's honor than most, are not just misguided, they are an insult to all Jamaicans who truly love their country. Queen Ifrica has shown herself to be a supporter of a corrupt political agenda rather than a champion of truth, decency, and patriotism. So it's time to recognize who truly stand with Jamaica and who does not. Mr. Vegas has shown that he is a man of integrity, loyalty, and love for his country. He is not swayed by money or political affiliation, but is driven by a genuine desire to see Jamaica thrive. In contrast, Queen Ifrica's recent behavior suggests that she is more interested in defending the British Empire's legacy of oppression and confusion than stand up for the values that make Jamaica great. We must stand with those who defend Jamaica, not with those who seek to undermine it. Mr. Vegas is a true Jamaican, a defender of our national pride and a beacon of hope for those who believe in the future of this great nation. Queen Ifrica, on the other hand, has shown her true colours, and they are not black, yellow and green. Let us reject her divisive rhetoric and instead rally behind those who genuinely care for the well-being of Jamaica and its people. Queen Ifrica is not Jamaican. She not represent where we represent. She represent for the big belly white man who is not Jamaican, and I tell a lie. You don't have no credibility, Queen Ifrica. You lost all of that by repeating nonsense and garbage and lies.
Mr. Vegas, you're a mole. I said that with no water in my mouth when I said that neither. You're not Jamaican, you're a mole, youth. I don't know who you work for. Vegas. Yeah. I can't say that officially. You're a mole, youth. So come declare. If a Jamaica side on the depan, alright, sift him. Cause me declare today. Me fully align a Jamaica side me take. So who are renounced citizenship? Who are renounced? Come renounce, no? Me not have to renounce. Me a Jamaican in a real life. We the Africans them a wait pan. For unite and set black people's business straight. But if Jamaica not set straight, Jamaica black people business can't set straight if Jamaica not set straight. Footer hype. Me not go call footer hype mole. Me I say my idiot. Me I say is either him know we are going with curry them for true, or him not really get the full 100. So me not go call him a full mole. But me I go say him not have the full understanding of where him a defend. That me I go say about footer. Him not have the full understanding of where him a defend. Because he would have known where the truth truly lie when he gonna stand up with curry them and buju them round the so. You know why them a protect buju? Because a Uno love buju. A Jamaican people love buju. And not even Maroon communities love buju. A Jamaican blood clot people love buju. That's why they have him at the roll call in the diaspora. Them show that we are keep with buju, a roll call show them. If you know which part Jamaica there. Blood clot don't know. I never stop until me just get me just rogue now. Me tell you say me no go rogue, you know. Me say make we do it privately good. Me say make we sit down, make we meet and talk how we all get to unite the people them, so that the world can unite, so that the youth them can stop killing them one another. Because if them know how great them was and how great kings and queens had to bow at our feet and beg us for mercy, them would not kill off them one another so. If them did know. But the whole house no sit down in the way. The whole house no sit down on the front line. Because of the benefits we now get off of the sellout. Me no give a fuck anymore. I no can do whatever I no want to do because I no kill the whole away we talk the truth, man. It's either you not join with Jamaica people or you not join with the system. And that's where I say fully now. Who will stand up with Jamaican people, the real people? The true sovereign people of this country. Where Andrew always use at him will. If he say, Jamaica is one sovereign state. Why did say so, Andrew? Because Corey them a threaten you? And that's why he did say so. Go ask L.A. Lewis if I lie, me I tell. Go ask the fake emperor, L.A. if I lie, me I tell. You no go ask him. If I lie, me I tell. Me beg him. Me personally beg L.A. Say, L.A., hear me no man. You say you want me come sit down side of you and you have crown for me and you have everything. Make you just tell the people them the truth. Because me now sit down side of you just to come make money off of Jamaican people. Me want to sit down side of you to tell Jamaica people the truth so that we can unite. And set the country free from all this crime and violence where never was we. It wasn't we. No matter where you hear Simone Clark them sit down on TV and come talk about Jamaica is not a real place, you know. Go from here, so because Uno used to inspire when we are picnic and show you how real Jamaica is. And because the system buy you know to all sit down on TV and come talk about I don't think Jamaica is not a real place, you know. And I big up the whole of the demon them we are blood clot hold down we picnic them and them no big up a man in time. You see me? Somebody say, who can take LA seriously? If you notice, no government now arrest him for the people them when must sign up. You don't notice that? Because they are legitimate documents that him really have. But how he get them are the thing. He never get them by the will of the ancestors. And the elders them were vulnerable then go around and go listen and say and talk what them a say. And take with the blood clot truth and have you make money off of it. And drive round, give you no dollar. And call themselves emperor and king. Because you know them subjects. A subjects, the whole of them blood clot have no has down here Jamaican people. Whether you in the diaspora or you left down upon the rock, blood clot subjects then see you know as subjects, not more than consumers who buy goods from them and make them rich. Because you don't forget who you know be. You don't forget so you know the greatest blood clots that black people ever touch earth. A Jamaica then there. The bravest. A Jamaica then there. The closest to God. A Jamaica then there. That's why the whole of them come here. That's why Russia in the Caribbean. They all have stake in a Jamaica. Because a yasso, all rules make from. You never know. Yes. Yes. A yasso, all rules make from. I shall be back. I shall return. But go and soak up that for now. Me I call out all who not turn up with Jamaica. Because I know if you are facts they are not. They all took their bribes. And left where I suffer down here.
Well, while Queen Ifrica might be correct in saying that Jamaica has produced many great people. Like and we say great, we attack men like Marcus Garvey and Bob Marley, Usain Bolt and the likes. But for her to be injecting that they're brave, brave in what way? We're killing each other. That's what you call brave. When you talk to Vybz Kartel innocent, after him kill the man and it's on camera. And her arguments just don't make any sense at all. She's not defending Jamaica. Because if you're not defending Jamaica, then you're going to defend a big belly white man. We're born in England, say him come to Jamaica as his ancestors slave. I just lose half of you big time. You're a woman that I used to have respect for. Not anymore. Yeah, attack Vybz Kartel, woman, true, she white and this and that. That is his business, who he want to sleep with. That's another personal business. You understand? Up to now, we don't hear you address all of the rear admiral thing them, the photo them will leak and him going add up, you understand? You hear Shorty attack up the things them too. So you understand? Shorty cousin when him Dudus say, yes, Shorty cousin named Dudus. Not Dudus from Tivoli Garden, Dudus from over Gregory Park here, Christian Pen. So Vybz Kartel mash up Shorty and turn her and make she get a round hole. Yes, and plus she have to suck him thing after. And him do all them thing in a song. We know you address that. But who you like, you protect them, and who you don't like, you expose them. And when you expose them, you lie upon them. Because what you say about Vegas is not true. Vegas is a patriot. I don't know the man. When I say I don't know him, I've never seen Vegas in my life. Like see him like how I say about to kill, I never see him. So may I tell you. And him can say the same too. You understand? Him controversial in a some way, but one thing you have to give him still, and I give him credit, is that Vegas, Mr. Vegas is a patriot. Whether you like him or not like him not, he's a patriot. The reason why I say I'm a patriot is because him defend Team Jamaica in Washington DC and expose licky, beggy, socialistic, lazy, criminal-minded PMP criminal organization supporters in Washington DC who collect 100 US to demonstrate against their own country. That show that they are Judases, they are traitors, all of them. And you can see also them are hustler for Jamaica because you see war broke out over there in Canada. I just saw it go. So let's break the cycle. Jamaicans, it's time to break the cycle free from this cycle of misinformation and unthinking allegiance. We must prioritize education, cultivate a love for reading, and develop the skills to analyze and critique the information we receive. Only by doing so, we can protect ourselves from those who seek to control us through lies and propaganda. What Queen Ifrica do is a massive propaganda campaign against Jamaica. The future of Jamaica depends on our ability to think for ourselves. Let's not let anyone dictate our beliefs without scrutiny, no matter how influential. It's time to rise above the noise and focus on what truly matters, the truth, our integrity, and the well-being of our nation. So as we observe and listen to Queen Ifrica, it's become increasingly clear that her statements are a mix of misleading rhetoric and occasionally fragment of sense. Her recent utterance raises questions, serious questions about her judgment and consistency. For someone who claims to stand for moral values and cultural preservation, her actions tell a different story, one that is deeply troubling. One of the most glaring issues in her decision to align herself with Buju Banton, a convicted cocaine dealer, Queen Ifrica undermined the principles she claims she upholds by invoking his name and support. This is more than just poor judgment. It reflects a profound inconsistency in her rhetoric. How can someone who speaks passionately about ethics and morality turn around and endorse someone with such tainted past? In contradiction that cannot be ignored, a crisis of credibility. Queen Ifrica's willingness to overlook such severe and serious issues in her pursuit of influence or validation suggests that she lacks the moral compass she often preaches about. Her credibility is questioned, and it isn't easy to take her seriously when her actions contradict her words. This inconsistency damages her reputation and misleads those who look up to her as a voice of reason and truth. The reason why Queen Ifrica is attacking Shenseea is because Shenseea is of a lighter hue than Spice. Spice is the most destructive dancehall artist we ever have. Spice is the first Jamaican to come out and embrace up is down and down is up. And God showed her a sign when she go to Dominica and she almost died. But that not change her. Because I devil she deal with. And I she you there promote. And you beat Shenseea. The two of them no different. Shenseea said she will take it in there. She not no problem for the man turn her, give her a round hole and prevent her from going beach. She said that. She said it on the Breakfast Club because it's all about selling them soul. So how you big up one and a beat the other? That's contradiction. I'm a loser for you. You used to have respect for him and I have none. I don't have any anymore. Yeah, if you beat, you have to beat straight. That's why some people say, boy, like me, I know Bounty Killer. And when Bounty Killer diss the police them, some people say, boy, I shouldn't say that because you're going to hurt him feelings. No, I'm your friend, I tell you the truth. You don't do that. You don't diss the police and the police ain't not diss you. And if they've not diss you, it's easy and them thing the way I try to prove. For sure, so you understand. But yet, the man that diss you most. I must see you hug up all the while, be the man. As the people them say, I must obey you and them thing because Trust me, me not tell no lie. The things that my beanie man do, bounty killer, I could never forgive him. But as I tell people, bounty killer is a saint. Him see it reserved in heaven. The thing that him forgive this man that we do him. I tell you. At one time I was bodyguard in bounty killer. Anytime I go any travel from men from Waterhouse in a 95. From him 94, 95. Boy them from Waterhouse, Beanie Man boy them from him. And we see bounty killer hug him up. After Beanie Man try to get all man, Dave Ninja for killing. Carol. Never tell bounty killer. Him carry Beanie Man all carry all Zebra. The Waterhouse. To Dave Ninja them and others. For them kill him for one woman. But him did there with in a Waterhouse or Indian girl a bounty killer there with we have a whole our father have a whole bus. Maybe I first him a year, maybe him know, but I couldn't tell him. Because all of them information is confidential. You understand? And I just saw it go. So the erratic nature of her recent behavior and statements indicate that Queen Ifrica may struggle with more than just a difference of opinion. She needs help, guidance, support, and a reality check. It's painful to see someone with such potential to influence for good spiraling into confusion and contradiction. It's time for Queen Ifrica to step back and reevaluate herself, position and impact of her words. She owes it to her followers and herself to be consistent, truthful and morally grounded. If she continues down this path of mixed messages and dubious endorsements, she risks losing the respect and trust of people she aims to inspire. But Queen Ifrica knows that Jamaicans are not old. Them not from them love you, them just ride with you. All if them even know say, although them claim say them are like Rear Admiral, all of the dirtiness them will spice them promote and Vybz Kartel and them thing, and them ride with. Them not ride with Rasta where Rasta promotes good living. See the convicted coke dealer, say him innocent and come back and say him have long road to freedom. And I him them hug up. And then I just saw Jamaican people now no moral. So when Queen Ifrica talks not to Jamaica anymore. If you look any island and look to Jamaica, you won't look for you destroy yourself. Because Jamaica is the epitome of evil in every way. Everything that is wicked come out of Jamaica. I tell you that right now. Queen Ifrica has the potential to be a powerful voice of positive change in Jamaica, but only if she aligns her actions with her words. She must strive for consistency, embrace truthfulness, and reject any alliances that compromise her ethical standards. Only then can she reclaim her credibility and truly make a difference. Jamaica deserves principled and consistent leaders, not those who waver and mislead. It's time for us to invite Queen Ifrica to reflect on her recent actions and make the necessary changes to regain the trust and respect of our community. We know some people in Jamaica will love Queen Ifrica. This no bother them. Queen Ifrica could have tell them all kind of nastiness. Them still like us ride with her because Jamaican land. Once Jamaican people love you, you can't do anything wrong. Or you them riding. Let's look at Vybz Kartel for example. Can't go better than that. And I will tell you, all the things that you have here Queen Ifrica address, some of them make sense, some, as we tell you earlier, they don't make no sense. You should this Vybz Kartel's wife, him say him wife, some say him fiancé, him girlfriend, this. But she must remember, say, she this Vybz Kartel wife wicked because she white, film business that, and for Shorty. I remember say Shorty F pan the man in him house, in front of him boy them, and she there with Chalice too. Vybz Kartel no Chalice. Remember say Shorty a pass around donkey, Shorty no morals. Many men Vybz Kartel kill over Shorty, allegedly. Paid. Nonopus. O'Neal. Me don't know what, honestly, so Hey, some man just now not taste though, you know, believe you me. I tell you, carousing them. Oh my God. So have yourself a beautiful day. And before we go, Queen Ifrica, somebody she a cry out for help. She need help. And most of the things that she say don't make no sense. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel. Out.